His Holiness the Dalai Lama is today the most revered and the most loved religious figure anywhere in the world. This book is in line with his teaching that just as he says Buddhism must face facts, I feel Hinduism also must face facts. And that shows his open-mindedness and his confidence that ultimately the discoveries of science will validate the insights regarding the mind which our forefathers acquired. That this particular book, he emphasized that the goodness of these two saints is the kind of compassion that we should all try to develop, which is his great message.